welcome. I'm thrilled you're here for a hands-on look at Think and Change Productivity, powered by ActivTrak. Whether you're managing a small business or leading a large enterprise, this platform is your new secret weapon for smarter decisions and better results. Let's jump in. First up, the Productivity Dashboard. This is your command center. I can filter reports by date, today, yesterday, or any period I like. Need to drill down by team or even a specific person, like Carrie Ann? It's just a click away. Once I've set my filters, the dashboard serves up a clear breakdown of total work hours, plus productivity categories like productive, active, passive, unproductive, undefined, and even offline meetings. Everything's displayed in percentages and time, so it's super easy to spot patterns. Want to know where your team spends their time? I get instant visibility into the top websites and applications. Think YouTube, WhatsApp, or our own internal platform. For each, I see time spent, usage percentages, top pages, and who's using them. It's real transparency, making it simple to identify what drives results and what's holding us back. Now let's check out schedule adherence. This is a newer feature and a real game changer for time discipline. It tracks the first and last activity of the day so I can see who's logging in late or logging off early. I can customize columns, export reports, PNG, CSV, Excel, you name it. Sharing insights is a breeze. Next, personal insights. This is all about empowering your people. Each user gets a private dashboard with a 7-day summary, screen time, productive hours, focus, collaboration, and more. I can spot trends, see where my time goes, and understand how certain websites impact my day. It's about building awareness and encouraging accountability without micromanagement. Moving on to team comparison. Here I can compare groups side by side, see productivity, efficiency, and workload at a glance. Who's overworked? Who needs more to do? Who's taking healthy breaks? I can analyze non-business apps, custom productivity categories, and even tweak what counts as productive for our unique culture. Maybe Google Meet is an in-house tool, WhatsApp is messaging, and YouTube is entertainment. It's all customizable. Last but not least, integrations. ActivTrak connects with my favorite tools: Google Calendar, Outlook, HR systems like Bamboo HR or SuccessFactors. That means I get a full picture of productivity, synced with schedules, and enriched with HR data. Reporting is not just easier, it's smarter. And that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me on this demo of Think and Change Productivity, powered by ActivTrak. If you want a closer look, a personalized walkthrough, or you're ready to supercharge your team's efficiency, just reach out or sign up today. Let's get things done together.